I remember when I was a child, my mom used to make me eggs for breakfast. She would cook them in a pan with butter and salt, and they tasted amazing. It wasn't until years later that I learned that eggs are best cooked by poaching them in water. The egg white turns out fluffy and the yolk is soft and runny. You can also add other ingredients to your eggs while poaching them. You can add things like onions or bacon to give them a bit of flavor. Or you could even add a little wine or vinegar to make them more flavorful. It is best to use a wide skillet that has a lid to keep the steam in. If you don't have one, you can use a saucepan instead. Make sure the water is boiling before you put the eggs into it. Don't put the eggs in cold water as they will curdle. When the water is boiling, crack the eggs into the water. The water should be between 2 and 3 inches deep. This allows for the steam to cover the eggs. The eggs will cook very quickly, so you don't want to leave them in there for too long. They should be done in about 5 minutes. When the eggs are done, you can drain them from the water and place them on a plate. Then, you can season them with salt and pepper. If you want to serve them with a little extra flavor, you can add some herbs to the water. Basil, parsley, chives, dill, and thyme are all good choices. If you want to serve them with toast, you can also do this. You just need to heat up some butter in a skillet. Then, you can put the toast on top and cook it in the butter until it is toasted. When the toast is done, you can then place the eggs on top and finish cooking them.